Sa ibang province meron din.
Yes. Roca, other province,
Because of the police.
I think there's some
Because of the pay.
pay of the police. Yeah. So disability was not on duty.
And they told them, go ahead and
Oh, kasi police na yung nag-initiate pala, no? Parang sa atin, kudita ma'am, no?
Not actually not kudita or people power. It's not the same with Philippines. Because in Philippines we don't have any that kind of incident that people are looting big shops and malls. No.
the inflation.
Yeah.
Prices of those go up. And then that's the chance of the people to get food.
Get food. And then they're taking those chances that the police security or the police department.
How did your neighbor friend cope with that?
Oh, you know what happened to my good friend? The looters came to the office. Yeah, and then she was afraid. And then you know what happened to her? She lied down on her office, and then she just asked the looter to take what they want.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why times like this, you must have local friends. So if you need help or assistance like that, you call your local friend. So the people looking, they will see your local friend and they will know about you. So it's better to make friends with local.
Yes.
Me, when Kemen told me, go, we go to the downtown. We were at 7 Mile, airport side. We came here, everybody was running. I was doing this expensive trip into town. And my mind was, if someone
Our hotel. It is the Crown Hotel. So yun, dumating na pala yung ano natin, order natin, room service. So ito yung kanilang Caesar salad, yogurt, at saka yung parata na order natin. So switch muna natin tong ilaw. Ayan, pasensya na, medyo nagbiglang merong tumawag eh. Kumatok. So ayan, habang nagre-review tayo ay kakain na tayo. Pero mas okay siguro pag tapusin muna natin. Okay? Sige. cabinet. Ayan. Ano natin. Bolt. Pwede ka mag-plancha. Kompleto yan. May water. Ayan, in-arrange na ng housekeeping kanina yung ating kama araw-araw yan. So may TV din tayo. Saan yung remote? Ayan. So working table. Pwede kang mag-relax dito, manigarilyo kung gusto mo. Then ito yung view sa labas. May swimming pool din. Yan, madaming mga naliligo. Then dito po building yung makikita mo. Okay? So yan, ganda. Ganda ng hotel na ito. At kung may pagkakataon, pabalik tayo ulit dito. Susulitin natin yung bago pagkakataon. Okay? So yun lang.